Alright everyone, so today I was working in my larger size notebooks and I thought I would do a quick video to share these because I don't know if I ever did, or maybe I did but it's been a while ago. So I have a few of these 8.5 by 11 or letter size Disbound notebooks. Two of them are Happy Planner. One is Martha Stewart, and I think the other one is either a Tool or an Arc from Office Depot. But I really like these larger sizes just because when I'm trying to take notes, or when I'm doing something where I really need to write a lot, I like having the space. And of course these are not notebooks I take on the go. I use them for a lot of online classes. This one I've used for a few recipes. And I just really like the flexibility, like I said, and I really love the space because I write big, so I struggle with trying to, cram everything on the smaller sizes. So I've got this one from Happy Planner, like I said, and for most of it is just kind of like a storage where I keep extra notebook paper. And I'm actually impressed with the quality. I think the paper quality from Happy Planner has improved over the years because this paper is pretty thick, and I've used different pens and I haven't had any issues with bleed through. Of course I haven't used like permanent markers, but I use Flair pens, I use gel pens, and I've never had an issue with any of them. Oops. So that is that one. The other Happy Planner one I have is this one here, and this one I have used for an online class that I was actually teaching, and so I have all my notes from that class in here, and then I've got some dividers, and these dividers are from Office Depot, and I really like them, but I don't like that you get the dividers 4 in a pack and they're all so vastly different. Oh, Staples Arc, so maybe that's where this one is from. But they'll serve the purpose, but I don't like how they're all so different. But I really like the versatility and the flexibility of these notebooks, again, because it's the Disbound. You can customize it however you want, and this one has the larger expander disc from Happy Planner, and these are the clear kind of glitter looking discs. This one is from Office Depot. I think this one could be Tool or Arc. I can't remember. But I have, again, more class notes. Now, all my self-improvement stuff goes in this notebook, and I've got so much stuff over the years that I have taken notes on. You can see this is from March of last year, and it was a summit where I guess I attended an online class, how to use social media and blog content to sell stuff, and I just really enjoy being able to have these notes to go back and look on. Now I also have in here a lifestyle, I think it's a lifestyle planner or lifestyle post planner. I bought it on Etsy, and it gives you ideas on what to post, like for social media posts or blog posts for every single day, and you can just reuse it. And so I keep that in here because that was a downloadable printable that was letter size. And so, depending on what day of the month, we're in January, so you can look on here, because sometimes I get really stumped for ideas for what I'm going to post, either on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or Facebook or, whatever. So I really like this. I don't follow it. I just kind of pick and choose, what sounds good. But I find it really helpful, and so it's good to keep it in this big size notebook. So I have that for the entire year. She also gives you hashtags and quotes, that you may want to use. I'll link that down below because I think she still sells it, and it wasn't that expensive at all. So that's what's in here. It's just a place for me to, you know, keep notes and also to keep my content, I guess, idea generating things all in one place. And then finally I have this is a Martha Stewart Disbound cover. And the Martha Stewart Disbound cover I like, is really, really pretty, although it's just a plastic cover, and I would have, you know, I had assumed because it was Martha Stewart that the quality would be a little bit better. Not that it's bad, but, you know, considering the price that you pay for her stuff, your expectations are a little bit higher than what I got here. But I bought this on clearance. I didn't pay full price, and I think I bought this at Staples. I can't remember, wherever Martha Stewart's stuff is. I think her stuff is at Staples. But she also has her own line of Disbound notebooks and covers, and so this is, I think it's a discontinued design, which is why I got it. And you can see that her discs are pretty small. You know, I think these are just 1-inch discs, and that's kind of disappointing because you can't really put a whole lot on them. Obviously it works for this, but I would have preferred to have a larger size disc. But I digress. So this notebook I used for when the pandemic hit early 2020. I immediately started doing research on treatment protocols and information, and I am much more of a natural alternative therapeutics type person, so that is what I keep in here. I know not everybody agrees with that, not everybody, you know, thinks it works. However, here we are 2 years later, and me and my son are very, very, I guess I should say, immune strong. So that is what I have kept in here. And of course I have blank notebook paper because I still continue to do research on different protocols, different treatments, different therapeutics that I believe are very healthy and sustainable, you know, as far as treatment protocols go. So I don't want my video to get flagged, but I think you understand kind of where I'm going with that. So that is what I keep in this notebook here. And again, I'm constantly adding to this, and I'm constantly updating this. You know, it's not something I go in and use every day, but it is a notebook that I do keep very, very current just because of, you know, the times that we're living in. So that is my collection of my letter size, big, Happy Planner notebooks, and I shouldn't say Happy Planner notebooks, I should say Disbound notebooks, because I do love them. Like I said, I just really appreciate all the space, and I think if you're someone who enjoys writing, like the actual practice of, you know, physically writing, I think you can't go wrong having a larger size notebook. And you know, a lot of us excuse me, grew up with, you know, the 8.5 by 11 size sheet of paper. So, you know, it just works. It just works. It just works for all of us. So that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to share that really, really quickly. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will check in with you again very soon.